Would you give a hitchhiker a ride? They say late at night, on a lonely highway outside Chicago, drivers sometimes see a young woman in a pale dress standing by the road crying. A man once stopped and offered her a ride. She got in the back seat and whispered that she needed to go home. He nodded and drove where she pointed, down winding roads until she told him to stop in front of a small house. When he turned around to ask if she was okay, the back seat was empty. Confused, he went to the door and an older woman answered. "That's my daughter," she whispered. "She died in a car accident 10 years ago, just down the road where you found her. Would you give her a ride?"